One letter turns into many small rings. The letter is only a hidden guide. The duplicator reads the letter shape, then blend submesh moves each ring to a new letter. Start with one small ring. This ring will become every visible dot. Add a color array for contrast. Make the soft pink color white. Now create the first hidden letter. Center the text on the canvas. Type a large bold A. This is the shape the copies will follow. Duplicate the ring. Change the duplicator to Voxelize. Voxelize converts the letter into positions. Now many rings become a full letter. Hide the guide letter. Name the setup duplicator A. Now create a second voxel letter. This copy will become the target shape. Change the text from A to B. Now both letters share the same ring shape. Blend submesh compares two layouts. One layout is the visible B, the other layout is the hidden A. The blend value moves every ring between them. Now the same rings can follow two different letters. Animate the blend forward. Start on the first letter. Move into the second letter. Hold the B shape for a moment. Then return to A. Smooth the morph in the graph editor. Use a soft easing curve. Stretch the handles for slower transitions. Now the letters settle into place. Adjust duplicator A until the dots travel cleanly. Now hide the source letter duplicator. Keep only the animated morph visible. One ring becomes a whole letter. A hidden text shape defines the positions. Blend submesh moves each ring to the next position. The hidden letters control the whole morph. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.